Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to discover how to track business expenses using Airtable, a versatile and user-friendly tool. Let's dive in. The first step is to create a new base. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This step is your foundation. It's where you'll store and manage all of your business expenses. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating tables. Click on the Add a Table button and name it Expenses. This helps us because it organizes our data, making it easier to manage and track. Next, we'll add fields. Add a date field for when the expense occurred, a category field for the type of expense, an amount field for the cost, and a notes field for any additional information. The reason we do this is to provide specific details about each expense. It's all about precision and clarity. Once that's done, it's time to input your expenses. Simply click on the plus Add Record button and start entering your data. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each time you add an expense, Airtable is sorting and storing this information, making it easy to analyze later. Finally, we create a view. Click on Grid View and select Group by Category. This will sort your expenses by type, giving you a clear overview of where your money is going. Let me explain why this matters. It helps you identify spending patterns and manage your budget more effectively. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently track your business expenses using Airtable. Remember, the key is in the details and organization. By tracking your expenses, you're taking control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.